Luke, you want to give Matthew another kiss? Kiss for Matthew. Luke, do you love Matthew?
No.
Yeah, that's your brother.
A car.
Car? You love your cars too, don't you? Matthew. Hi, handsome. Hey, little guy. Hey, little guy. Kisses. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Yeah. Hi, handsome. Yeah. Are you a cutie? You looking at brother? Brought you some trucks, huh? You gonna play? You gonna play with Matthew? Can't get you both in the camera here. Let's see. There we go. Gonna play cars, huh?
A car.
Yeah, you sharing your cars with brother. There we go.
Yay!
I think Matthew. Is that fun? Truck? Yeah. You got another truck, don't you? You want to show everyone your truck? Luke, hold it up. Hold up your truck. Let everyone see. Hold it up. Oh, nice truck. Very cool. Can you blow a kiss?
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Luke. Bye-bye.